Hello everyone, welcome to World Diabetes Day 2025. In this function I am going to give a presentation and let's hope you will enjoy.
Dear student, for being here. Your presence and support made this session special and unforgettable. We know that
Коллегалары, good afternoon. Конференцияның işine ilgili.
The definition of diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorder which can fundamentally be due to the defect of.
So what exactly is diabetes? Diabetes, as my fellow mates have already told us, prepare today's presentations. To start the program,
how your body handles the sugar every single day, and that's what I am here to explain.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Arlis Ahmad Ausab, student of third year JASU. I will tell you about the management of diabetes. The management of diabetes is very easy. We need to follow some few steps. The first step is healthy eating. We have to eat healthy food like emphasize vegetables, lean protein and whole grains, limit our sugar, salt and fats. Then we have to follow the plate method. Now I will show you the picture of a plate. We can see that the plate is divided into three parts. The first half of the plate we have to keep fruit and vegetables. Then the 1/4 of the plate should be proteins like fish or meat. Then the 1/4 should be grain like rice or bread. Then the second management step is regular exercise. We have to aim for 150 minutes of regular exercise per week. Then it helps us to reduce our fat, and this exercise should include walking, cycling and swimming. It also helps control weight and reduce heart risk. And the most important step for diabetes management is medical management. We have to manage our diabetes by its type. We know that diabetes is two types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes require insulin therapy. And type 2 diabetes is managed with oral drugs like metformin and sometimes insulin. Regular monitoring of blood sugar and blood pressure can control our diabetes. So for the quote of the day is consistency and education are the key to a healthy life. Thank you.
Second. And the right answer is.
Здравствуйте, уважаемые студенты. Всех поздравляю с конференцией по диабету. Всем желаю